I have. Okay, don't give up. Believe me. Before everything started, this was me. Let's get into it, shall we? After I kept showing up, now let the fun begin. Yes, 30 inches. Nice. If you're ready, I want you to do something for me. Are you ready? I want you to carefully follow my steps. You got this. Okay, we're going to be executing the lower belly fat, removing that stubborn built up lump that is so hard to be taken away, to go away from you, no matter how hard you try. If that's you, that special person I'm talking to, do this workout with me and see the results after. Okay, you ready? Let's go. And before we get into it, I want you to kindly squeeze in your cheeks in and out like this. Okay, so with that being said, let's go. That's it. But just by doing this workout, you will feel your body releasing the lump, melting away slowly but surely. Only if you follow carefully, you'll do well. You'll have the same beautiful results that I have. Okay, don't give up. Believe in yourself. Okay, remember, it's you plus me equal you two. Never forget that. I will see you next time in my next video for more tips on workout and how to lose or reduce that belly fat. With that being said, that special person that I'm talking to, that you want to slim, look sexy and beautiful, subscribe to my channel, follow me for more beautiful glow ups to come. Till next time, I will see you. Love this stuff again. Love you. Bye.